Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I am from group 3 and my name is Omar Hakim bin Abdul Aziz. So today our group will be present our project titled PBL. The objective of this project is study how welding parameter affects weld quality and how to determine the most suitable welding condition that produce strong weld with minimum defect. First, we prepare 5 mild steel plate of the same dimension. Before starting the welding process, all safety requirements were followed. Personal protective equipment such as welding helmets, leather gloves, safety boot and flame-resistant coverall were worn to ensure safety throughout the experiment. Next, the smart welding machine was set up and inspected. The welding current and voltage were adjusted according to the required setting for each specimen. During the experiment, the travel speed was maintained as contained as possible to ensure that effect of current and voltage could be observed accurately.
The welding process was then carried out on 5 plates. Each specimen was welded separately using different welding parameters settings. During welding, the actual current and voltage value were recorded and minored. After welding was completed, the heat input for each specimen was calculated using the heat input formula. Heat input is important because it determines the amount of energy transformation into the welding directly affect weld quality. Following the calculation, all welded specimens were visually inspected. The weld beds were examined for defects such as lack of fusion, porosity, incomplete presentation, undercut, and sputter. The appearance of the weld bed presentation and overall weld quality were also elevated.
Hello, my name is Himalayan Kumarvel. So, from the result obtained, we observed that the lower heat input generally cause defect such as lack of fusion, incomplete penetration, because insufficient heat was available to properly melt the base metal. As the current and voltage increase, the heat input also increased, resulting in improved penetration from the bead information. However, excessive heat input also produce defects. Higher welding parameters cause issues such as undercut, excessive reinforcement, and spatter, which negatively affected the weld quality. This shows both insufficient and heat input can lead to welding imperfections. Based on our observation, an optimum minimum range of welding parameter produce the best weld quality. As this condition, the weld bead was more uniform, penetration was satisfactory, and fewer defects were present compared to the other specimen. In conclusion, this project demonstrated that welding current, voltage, travel speed have a significant influence on welding quality in the small process. Proper selection of control welding parameters are essential to produce strong, clean, reliable welds while minimizing welding defects. Thank you.